Try making 3,500 naira on this particular website. The website claims that I can actually make 3,500 naira performing a task, which is answering some questions online, which is also known as survey. And at the end of the month, I'm going to make 15,000 naira on this particular website. I'm going to be trying it out. Let's see if it's actually work out or not. The name of this particular website is surveylama.com. You can type into your Chrome browser or Google search bar and type in Survey Lama. It's going to bring you to this particular first link. And you click on the very first link. It's going to take you to their home page. It looks exactly like this. And up to 3,500 naira per survey from home. Take paid online surveys and up to like 15,000 naira per month. So I was actually surprised and excited. So I had to register ASAP. So before I start inputting my email, guys, always make sure to create a separate email for this online stuff, because most of people that create this type of websites actually sells our data, our personal information to scammers. So we need to be very careful when registering on any website. Okay, so I had to register with my special Gmail account that I created for this particular stuffs online. And it's brought me to this particular website. As you can see on this particular website, it's not even legit, because if it's a legit website, all of this advertisement is not going to be there. And let's continue and see the outcome of this particular work or job. After registration, you're going to be given a bonus points. I was given 45 points LP, that's Lama points. And there are actually different type of survey you can actually perform on this particular website, from partner offers to maybe new surveys, as you can see here, proposed by CPX. Another one, my pool, top surveys proposed by CILT. Another survey proposed by Lucid. There are actually different type of surveys with different amounts of points. So I click on my pool and it's loading. So it's going to take me to another entire website or another entire page. So this is where it took me to. We are looking for a respondent who makes final decision regarding financial planning. Select the odd one: truck, Apple, bus, car. Of course, Apple is the odd one. So I click on Apple, and the second question goes like this: what is the favorite thing to do on weekend? So I type in watch movies. Of course, I love to watch movies on weekend. So I click on continue. It's taking me to another website again. So I have to wait patiently. At least now money I won't make. So I waited patiently enough. Like, it actually took more than 30 seconds. And the next thing is that, thank you, your survey has been terminated. I was actually disappointed. Unfortunately, you do not qualify for this survey. Would you like to try qualify for another survey? So if you click on continue, they are going to take you to another survey, and you're going to keep on trying and trying and trying and trying. Survey unavailable. This survey is no longer available from the advertiser. Be sincere and consistent in your answer to get better surveys and better earning. Was I not sincere? So I click on confirm. So I don't have any other choice than to leave the website. So to my own opinion, honestly, this thing is just a scam. So I later found out that how much are the points worth, and from how many points can I be paid. In the country Nigeria, you need 2,000 LP to have 15,000 naira. You know, when I registered the other time, I was given 45 LP, which is 45 points. Now you expect to have performed a survey of 2,000 points before you can have 15,000 naira. So practically, you are going to spend more than. This video is helpful. 15,000 naira data on this particular website. Generally, they are just driving traffic to their websites. Generates traffic to their websites, and they get paid from Google AdSense. Google paid them for traffic they generate